Everybody, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best. I'm here with
Aiden.
Hey, we're actually installing a sliding screen door on some French screen doors. So it's right there behind us, and what we need to do is attach a top channel to it because this one didn't have one, okay? It's a random video, we have no mics, so we apologize for any background noise, but we're in a beautiful area. Yeah, it's a nice area too right here, so. Okay, so let's get started. Go ahead. Make sure it's flush. So first,
It's very simple, really.
you just slide.
You just put this in, push it up.
You slide the sliding screen door up into the top
Down on the
channel,
track.
and then it's on the track, but you're going to adjust the wheels.
Yeah.
And we don't have a ratchet right now,
I got this.
but you got a crescent wrench. That's good. So. So you loosen it up. And then you pull it, there you go. Pull that down. You pull the wheel down. Tighten it back down. And then tighten it with the wrench. Usually people don't use the crescent wrench that way. You go from the top.
Yeah, but I'm just cool that way. I don't need it.
There you go.
I don't need to do it the right way to get it done correctly.
So, officially, Aiden just admitted that he's going to teach you how to do it the wrong way.
Yeah,
right?
you guys want to learn how to do it the wrong way?
So give that video a thumbs up because he's teaching you how to do it the wrong way.
Good job, Aiden.
I'm teaching you how to do it the quick way, which isn't usually the best way. Fine, look, this is how you do it the right way. It's more time consuming. Okay, forget it.
Okay, we'll go from this
The
angle.
wrong way is apparently better right now.
There you go. Is it there?
Not down all the way. There you go.
It's not on the track either, is it? Oh yeah, it is on the track. I see it.
Notice that the dog stopped barking.
As long as it's tight, let it go. Okay, let the door go. It's on the track. Does it slide? Look at that. What do you think?
Brilliant.
That's good.
It's the work of a master craftsman.
Master Craftsman Aiden. It's his new title. It's what you're dealing with there is the bug seal, with the trim back the bug seal.
Oh. Right.
This one you're just gonna do trimming this a little bit off. It's like notching it just a little bit. There you go. And how's the top?
Tom needs help.
Top needs help.
It's not cutting.
Maybe a blade.
Got it?
Yep.
Take this.
Scissors don't work, then use the utility blade. There you go. You probably just pull it from there.
Yeah, that's what I planned on doing.
Is there a notch there?
Around there.
There you go. So you notched it. Nice and tight. There you go.
Okay. So.
Pound dogs. I love them though. This one was taken back twice, that one 3 times.
You gonna get a pencil, or I can mark it on this side.
Yeah, can you do
So
that?
the guy said,
Yeah, I got a pen.
you know, I don't.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mark the top and the bottom right here and right here, so I know where the plate goes.
He does straight.
You're good there. Straighten it out. Test it first. Good. Perfect. Okay. Second screw. Always 2 screws on these.
Unless you want it to pop right off.
Yeah, exactly. Good there. So that's to install a sliding screen door on a French door, right? Good job, Aiden. Take care.
God bless and catch you next
Catch
time.
you next time. Well, there's somebody hiding behind there too. He probably wants to be on video. He's hiding. All right, guys. See ya. Oh, subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Please. We appreciate it. Aiden really needs you to.